is the rare kiwi bird. It has mustaches and very black eyes with one tiny little white spot as a shine. It has black and gray and white fur. It has orange beak. It is very thick and it cannot fly. It is very fluffy. When you pet it, it is very good feeling. It has very good feeling when you pet it, like when you pet a super duper soft cat or dog, whatever. The kiwi bird can the kiwi bird does not eat meat. It eats seeds, vegetables,
and kiwis.
The kiwi is in fruit. Yes, and it eats fruit. When their belly aches, they eat. They eat grass. The females can give birth to like 5 or 3 kiwis a day.
It's only one. The egg just takes over its body. The egg is so big, it's so painful when they're giving birth.
Yes, it is. The males have the job to protect that egg. The females have the job to sit on that egg so it can keep warm and make nests. Well, that is all I gotta say for today. Please like and subscribe to It's Gamer King 21. Well, that's it.